What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today marks week 24 of growing my beard with Minoxidil, you know what I mean? So let's get right into it. This is my left side, as y'all can see. And keep in mind, this is 3 weeks in after I shaved it. I shaved it all off my cheeks, you know, both sides of my cheeks. So this is 3 weeks of the grow back, but it's my week 24, you know what I mean? So check out the gains. Y'all see this? This is my strong side right here. Y'all can see it starting to, you know, all of this is new. All this right here is pretty new. Now, I had it all, you know, covered up. You know, week 22, you know, I had my, you know, I had the whole thing, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can really see. I'll throw a picture up right here. You know what I'm saying? I had the whole thing, but I shaved it. I've actually shaved it twice. The first time I shaved everything off, you know what I'm saying? And then I let it grow back and I kept my goatee and then I shaved my sides down. So I've shaved it way too many times, you know what I mean? I finally said to myself, I am not going to touch it again. If anything, I'm going to, you know, shape up, you know, the top and the bottom just to keep it, you know, looking nice. And right now I need a shape up right now because this is getting kind of crazy. It's going past the line, you know what I mean? But I don't know. Who knows? All I know is I'm not going to touch it anymore as far as shaving it all off, you know what I mean? But anyways, yeah. Here go the gains though. Up under the neck. It's completely covered right there. Goatee always was off the charts, you know what I mean? I kind of cut my connectors off because I want to keep those trimmed down until, you know, the size of my cheeks catch up to where it look right. But anyway, here go this side. This is my weak side. It might look like my strong side, but what I did was I shaved down this side a little, you know, more than this side to let this side catch up. So if this side look like my strong side, that's why. But anyway, as y'all can see, it's coming along. Still got weak areas, you know, right up in here, you know, all under here. I got hair there, you know, vellus hairs, but you know, it got ways to go. But let me know what you think. My mustache, you know, got vellus hairs coming right here. Never mind that pimple right there. That mug hurt too. Dang. But mustache, little soul patch. Yeah, that's what your boy got. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. This is week 3 of the grow back, you know what I'm saying? But it's my week 24, you know what I mean? Of the whole process. So let me know what you think, you know what I mean? Y'all can kind of see how it's going to be. It look like it's not going to come too much higher than right here. You know what I mean? It look like it's coming down like right here. You know what I mean? On both sides, y'all can see it. You know what I'm saying? It's coming down. But yeah. You know what I mean? I'm excited about this process, you know what I mean? Because I've never had a full luscious beard, and that's what I want, you know what I'm saying? I want, not Rick Ross style, but I want it to be thicker and fully covered first. Let's start there. Let's get it all covered first. And then we can work on making it thicker, you know what I'm saying? With, you know, keeping it moisturized and making sure I brush. Got the brush right here, you know, a little brush session. You know what I'm saying? Keeping everything brushed. Ooh, don't want to hit that pimple. That might hurt. Look at it. That might throbbing. Woo. But anyways, I'm still doing the 2-a-days on the Minoxidil. I got my biotin. I got my collagen pills. I got all that, you know what I mean? So I'm staying with that religiously, consistently, you know what I'm saying? Every day, I'm not going to miss it. And I'm noticing that my hair is starting to grow a lot faster, especially from the grow back. Everything is moving along pretty quick now. Week 24 is about, you know, 5 months, 5.5 months, somewhere up in there. So I'm creeping up on that half a year, you know what I mean? So that's pretty cool. Hopefully everything will speed up. You know what I mean? I'm going to make my little concoction with peppermint oil right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, peppermint oil and some tea tree oil and some coconut oil. Mix it all up. You know, put the lime in the coconut, mix it all up. Anyway, y'all get what I'm saying. I'm gonna make my concoction to keep my face moisturized. See, I got other moisturizer, but I want to speed the process up. And I heard that tea tree oil and peppermint oil get the job done, along with a good brush session. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to keep it brushing. You know what I'm saying? Keep it live and going. But yeah. 3 weeks in, after the chop, this is what you can expect. But trust me when I say I was one of those people who didn't think they was gonna be able to grow any type of facial hair, even the goatee. You know, especially all the way back to the neck, the top of the neck. You know what I mean? I couldn't grow none of this. It was just like right here and up. I'll throw a picture up. You see what I'm saying? I had little stragglers. You feel me? When I was younger, but now this grew naturally. All of this grew naturally. Underneath the neck, you know what I'm saying, was helped by Minoxidil, and all of this was Minoxidil. All of this was Minoxidil. My mustache could grow. That was some of the first things to grow. It was this, and even this grew by itself. Now I heard it said if you can grow a goatee, the soul patch, or the mustache somewhat, you can grow everything else. You know, you just gotta wake up the follicles. And hey, I say, if you struggling, get you some Minoxidil and, you know, follow along with my journey, start you a journey, and let me know what's up. But anyways, guys and girls, you know what I mean? That is it for the video. I just had to show y'all this update. Week 24. Can't wait to see what else the future holds, you know what I mean? Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let your boy know what journey, what stage you on your Minoxidil journey. And hey, we'll hash it out in the comments. But anyway, it's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.